If you're looking for a refrigerator that offers great value for money without compromising on efficiency and convenience, then you're in luck. Introducing Haier 190-litre 4-star direct-cool single-door refrigerator in the Dazzle Steel color. One of the most impressive features of this refrigerator is the 1-hour icing technology, which allows you to get ice within just an hour. You can enjoy chilled beverages in no time. So let's explore the features that this fridge has to offer. A useful feature of Haier refrigerator is its spacious capacity and the large vegetable box. With a storage capacity of 190 litre, this refrigerator is perfect for small to medium-sized families. The 2x large vegetable box provides ample storage space for all your fresh produce. The Haier refrigerator has a 4-star energy rating and a stabilizer-free operation feature. You will be able to reduce energy consumption while enjoying a reliable and consistent performance. In case you're hosting a party or just need a quick refreshment, the Haier refrigerator is an excellent choice that offers both convenience and durability. The toughened glass shelf can withstand heavy pots and pans without breaking, and are especially helpful while prepping and cooking well in advance for a party. Plus, the more chiller space provides extra storage space for your beverages and other items that need to be chilled quickly, making it convenient to grab a cold drink or snack whenever you need it. The Haier refrigerator comes with an antibacterial gasket that eliminates bacteria from the refrigerator, ensuring that your food is stored in hygienic conditions. This refrigerator also features an external handle with a comfortable grip, plus Clean Back feature covers the important component of the refrigerator for top-notch safety and easy cleaning. The Haier refrigerator will connect home inverter technology, keeps your refrigerator running even during power cuts, ensuring the freshness and chill of your food and beverages. In conclusion, the Haier 190-litre 4-star direct-cool single-door refrigerator is a great choice for those who want a spacious, energy-efficient and reliable refrigeration appliance. You can easily buy this on Amazon with the convenience of scheduled delivery, no-cost EMI option and exchange program for your old fridge, along with the option of open box inspection at delivery in select pin codes.